guys, welcome to tutorial number 4 on Solidworks, and in this tutorial we'll be designing this Porsche because we have to complete this car. So let's get started. Click on right view and then go to sketch, turn on the 3D sketch. Here you can see there's a spline from this point here to this point. Press escape, press the space bar and then click on the top so you can get the top view. And here you can see that you have to align it with the blueprint and try to align with the blueprint, and here we go. This seems alright. The right view, try to alright, get out of this sketch, and now click on 3D sketch again and use spline and make another sketch here, this line, and this is the end. Press escape and now press on the space bar, click on the top so you can get the top view again, and try to align with this blueprint here. All we have to do is to follow the blueprint, nothing else. So here you can see little, okay, and try to align here. Press the space bar, click on the right view, and here align it here, and that is already good. Here, alright. Get out of the sketch and now go on 3D sketch again, click on spline and try to connect these two endpoints, this one and this one. Press escape and take a rear view, and what we have to do is turn on the rear view. Okay, here, okay, it's fine. I think we should take a front view. Yep. And then try to align, try to do it like that. The front, turn on the front view. Okay, this seems good. That is okay. If we find any problem, we will edit the sketch again and we will try to solve the problem. First, you can see we have to see the surface, what kind of surface it forms. So go to surface, click on loft, select this sketch and click on the other sketch, and for the guide curve we are going to use this spline and this edge, and if we can provide a tangent relation with this edge, keep this edge selected and click on the tangency to space. It doesn't allow, okay, it does allow the tangency. Okay, click OK. You can see the tangent surface, and which is good, and not 100% tangent, but it will work. And there you go, and click on the right view. It's absolutely fine. Now again, go to 3D sketch here, click on spline from this corner to here, Okay, on top view, turn on the wireframe. Okay, and right view again, and get out of this sketch, and here turn on the wireframe. Okay, and here turn on the 3D sketch and spline from this dot to this dot. After clicking both the dots, press escape and try to match it with the blueprint here. Okay. Okay. Now what we have to see is whether this thing forms a curve or not. As you can see, here is the surface. It is a curve here. I mean, let me show you what exactly I'm talking about. Let's click this one. Now you can see this curve. If it will not be like in a tangent, not in a tangent relation, but tangent relation will cause really a lot of curve. I mean, more curvy. But let's make it so that we can feel like this is a tangent relation. Okay. All right. This seems fine. Let's take a right view here so we can see. Okay, now it's properly aligned. Get out of the sketch, and now it's time to match. I mean, create a surface in this, because we got 4 sides here using loft. Click this one, and for the guide curve, this one and this one. Let's click OK for it. All right. That is what I was thinking about, a curved surface. So you can see there is nothing like a corner. It's absolutely curvy, which is what we wanted, because it looks so real. All right. Okay, but we should provide a little tangent relation to that. Let's make changes here. The edge 1. I mean, okay, edge 2. This one is the edge 2. We have to provide tangent relation. Go to new tangent to face. Click OK. Now it's tangent. All right. Now it looks really good. Okay, what we have to do is let's provide tangency to this surface as well. I mean, go to this edit and go to edge 1. Here you can see end constraints, tangents to face. Alright. Let's click OK. Absolutely. No. It's creating a sort of disturbance, as you can see, which we don't want. Press Ctrl Z. Alright. This is fine. This is looking absolutely fine. Now what we have to do is, now we have created 2 surfaces here, so click on space, I mean not space, this save button here, click on save. Alright, now it's time to draw the roof and all. How we are going to do that, we're gonna find out. Go make a sketch on the right plane here. Alright, make a central line. Make a central line here, which goes absolutely horizontal to this starting of. This will be the starting of the. This will be starting for the curve, as you can see here. Alright, make it fix. Alright, it is fixed. Now it's not going to move. It is moving. But just try to adjust it with the blueprint where it starts. This seems fine. Okay. It is fixed. We are not going to move it anyway, so we'll go to spline from this point, and to the end here. Press escape. Now try to align with the blueprint. Click here and it will show the handles. adjust these handles. There we go. Alright. Okay, lift this one a little bit. Alright. This seems absolutely good looking. And here to the end. Let's take a top view of this sketch where it goes. Alright, it is at the right place. Okay, right view again. Get out of the sketch here. Now we'll find out that it is good. It's good. Alright. Go to the top view here again. And from now here, and we'll go to feature, sketch, 3D sketch, turn on the 3D sketch. After that we'll go to spline. From, as you can see, this surface starts from here. We'll click here and make one point here, and then where it is alright, press escape, press spacebar, and then as you can see it is not aligned. Click here, okay, click on the spline here and try to make it follow the blueprint. Here we go. Reduce this handle. You can see it is, but the end here is not good. What we do is we will just put it like here and then lift this hand a little bit. Alright, let's take a top view of this. So okay, there's a problem. As you can see, we have to put it here. Alright, alright. There we go. Let's go to the back view, and here you can see here, go to central line, and where is that end? Here is the end. And there we go. Rear view, click this central line and make it along x-axis. There you go. After making it along x-axis, we'll coincide this one with this line. That's the reason we built this line. Alright, click here. Okay, here you can see this blueprint is, no, it's okay. We'll go to the right view again, because here there is some problem. Let's see from the back of the back view. Alright, let's see. Alright, take the back view. Now it is, it looks good. Let's take another look because we want to be sure that it looks good or not. Alright, take front view. Alright, it's following the blueprint, but here it should be little. Let's go take a look again on the back as well. Alright, top view. The reason why we're looking to the every from every view is because it's really important here, because if our sketch is not going to meet the if it's not going to align with the blueprint, it's not gonna make we're not going to make a same car. Our car going to look different. Alright, make it align with this one, make it coincident. Go to the rear view again and try to look. Alright, try to make it look like this. The right view. Okay, the problem what I see is the back view. We don't need this line. Let's delete this one, because what I see here is this point should be here, but it is there. That's the problem. It's not vertical here. Delete this point here and click here, and then try to align with this point. This point. Alright, it doesn't do any change. Let's go to see this section. Alright, this point, let's drag it a little bit this here, there, a little more, little more. Now, okay, take a look. Alright, get out of this sketch here. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to go to top view. Now we are going to close this so that we can form a surface. We have got the two lines. Now we are going to create a guide curve. 3D sketch again, spline from this point to this. Press escape. Go to top view again and try to align here. Make it along x-axis, and this one has to be like that. As you can see here, this is the line. The spline here should be little close. Alright, let's make that change. Get out of the sketch here. Double click on this spline. Press the space bar, click on the right view and try to drag it, because it looks a little farther. Let's drag it here. That was too far. Alright. Now I'm going to top view. Alright. And now again we are going to use 3D sketch and try to align this point with this one. And we're going to take a look back in the rear view. Alright, okay, this is absolutely fine. Take a top view. Okay, top view needs little work. Let's make it along x-axis and try to follow the blueprint. And now we are good to go. good to go. Get out of the sketch. Now we are going to use loft, this one and this one. The guide curve is going to be this one and this one. Let's take a front view of that. Direction to vector. Okay, normal to profile. Alright. What we need is, because when we are creating a surface, the surface is not following this. Like for that, we are going to need a 3D sketch. Using the 3D sketch, we are going to create a spline. Press the escape first. First, we have to go and take a front look, and now we're going to use spline from here to here and make it like this. Here you can see how that sketch looked there, and now delete this relation. We want this to be delete this relation as well. I mean, it has to be absolutely. Okay, take a, alright, this is not good as well. Delete this and press Control and this one. Alright, now we're good to go. And here, let's make a top, the front view. There we go. Make it along x-axis, and this one has to be like this. Alright, so we are going to, because we have got three lines and 2 guide curves, we are going to use boundary surface. Select this one, this one, this one, because when you have more than three lines to make one surface, more than 2 lines to make a surface, we are going to use boundary surface. And here is the spline, and here is the another one. Alright, let's take a front view, whether it matches the blueprint or not. Check. Alright, as you can see, it is absolutely following the blueprint. Click OK. Alright, so guys, in the next tutorial we are going to draw more. Just for now, try to hide all the blueprints, top and the rear. Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to see how our car looks when we provide a mirror relation. Okay, here is the mirror relation, and the plane we are going to use is the right plane. Go to bodies, to mirror, select all the bodies, this one as well, this one. Let's click OK. Alright, this is our car. This is how our car looks like. And so see in the next tutorial, press Ctrl Z, because we are going to undo this one, and click on save, guys. Let's show the blueprints, and then we are going to click on the save button. Alright, click on the save button. Alright, as you can see. So see in the next tutorial, so keep practicing. If you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, please type your doubts in the comment box. I'm gonna reply your doubts as soon as possible. So see you in the next tutorial, guys.